phone.
Dog and phone!
Yes, thank you. It's that time again for another edition of Dog and Phone. It's a packed show today. Let's get straight onto our first email. The first one is from Leah, and it's about her dog Stanley. Leah says, my dog's name is Stanley, and he can't stop getting dirty. Can you talk to him, please, Dodge? I'm begging you. Them sticky buds are a right pain to get out. P.S. Dodge is the best dog ever. Oh, thanks. Right, let's get Stanley on the old dog and bone.
Can I just say, I think it's pretty rich that Leah, who's supposed to be my friend, is kicking off about me getting dirty. Now, some owners would be grateful to have sticky buds all over their walls, and she can't talk, she's normally filthy anyway. Oh, cheeky!
Oh, Stanley, you know, as I always say, mate, a sticky bud a day keeps the vet away. Right, next up, on the second email, we have got Harry's dog. Yeah, Harry's dog. And Harry says, I want to ask my dog, why do you dance when you want your dinner? Harry's dog's on the line. What do you say, Harry's dog?
The truth is, Harry, I must say, I'm quite bashful about this. I've always wanted to be a jazz tap dancer. It's silly, I know, especially as I'm quite a rough-looking dog. But how dare you? How dare you squash my dreams? Who says I can't reach for the stars? By the way, could you buy me a sparkly collar?
Harry's dog, do not let your owner crush your dreams and start by getting your own name. Right, next up, we have got Alfie, and his dog's name is Huntley. He says, my puppy Huntley keeps nipping at me. Can you ask him why? That's from Alfie in Devon.
Well, the truth is, Alfie, I just love lollipops. Red ones, yellow ones, not so much the purple ones, because you always get them all over your hands, but I just can't stop, Alfie. I can't stop! I just can't stop!
Well, Alfie, you can see what the problem is here. He's mistaken your fingers for lollipops. Wash your hands, mate. Right, that's it for this section of Dog and Phone, but we'll be back after the break for more of your emails. And remember, as I always say, woof woof.
Bark, bark!
Dog and phone! Dog and phone!
Yes, welcome back to the second part of Dog and Phone. Right, let's get straight onto the emails. And first, we've got one from Alexa in Sandhurst. And she says, my question is for Mo, my guinea pig. Are you really a punk? I called him Mo because he has a Mohican. P.S. Dodge, you rock. Right, let's get Mo on the line and have a little talk to him. Mo?
Hello, Dodge. Well, to be honest, I don't like to label myself as a punk or a rocker or anything like that. I'm my own person. Well, guinea pig. But more importantly, can I have my bedding changed, Alexa? Because all that shredded newspaper is starting to smell away.
Oh, Alexa. Do not neglect your guinea pig. Change his bed, it stinks in that little cage. Oh, disgusting. Right, next, on to the next one. What have we got here? We've got Katie from the West Midlands, and she says, this is a picture of my pets, Macy Gray and Jarvis Cocker. Dodge, please can you ask them what their favourite toy is? And by the way, Chris, your show is a lot better than... Anyway, yes, so here we have it. Katie's pets from the West Midlands, Macy the cat and Jarvis the dog. Hello, are you there?
Hello, this is Macy the cat. I just like to say that
wait
Jarvis
a minute.
the dog and I are such
Cat?
good friends, we don't need favourite toys, do we, Jarvis?
Oh, well, I quite like my ball.
Oi, stop this. Get out. Cut the line. Hang on a minute. That's a cat and dog playing together. It's unnatural. That's unheard of. It's disgusting. Right. Christina, get out there.
Yes, Mr. Dodge?
What do you think you're doing putting a cat through into the line?
What?
How long have you worked here, Christina?
Under an hour.
Under an hour? Well, it seems to me that if you worked here for under an hour, you should know that I hate cats. You are fired!
Don't fire me, I've got the right wig on and everything. Right, do you know what, Dodge? This is daft, this is silly. I'm the presenter, you're the dog. Sit. Here's horrible histories. Come on.